English. Being good at English can help us become internationalized people. My English isn't very good, but I still enjoy studying it. I like watching movies and English conversation programs on the television. I also take classes at an English school. Why do I like studying English? Because it is very enjoyable for me to learn the meanings of Japanese words and sentences in English, and then try to say them with good pronunciation. I also love the challenge of memorizing short conversations. Let me give you an example. How's the weather? It's fine now, but it might rain later. English has been a global language for more than 300 years. So many countries who were influenced by the British Empire still use English as their main language in trade, cultural exchanges, and friendships. This in turn leads to long-term international cooperation in many things between people and countries, preventing wars from breaking out. After entering junior high school, I really started to progress in my English studies. So much so that I was chosen to represent my school in the city English speech contest. It was a very tough experience for me. The speech was extremely difficult to memorize, and my English teachers and my parents were very strict. They criticized everything in order to help me improve. From my pronunciation to my hand gestures, nothing was perfect. I cried. There seemed to be so many unsurmountable barriers, but I came through. And after I had performed the speech, I felt so elated and full of satisfaction. I received mountains of praise from my teachers. It made everything I had been through worthwhile. My ambition is to become a flight attendant, so I want to be able to communicate in English with people of many nationalities and make them feel comfortable and at ease on their trips. I want to have friends of many nationalities and communicate with them in English. I hope millions of people around the world do the same, and that way many barriers will disappear between people. If many more young people become open-minded about communicating in English and having friendship with people from around the globe, then animosity, violence, misunderstanding, racism, poverty, greed and hate will gradually disappear and be replaced by pure love for one another. Let's try to be citizens of the world rather than just in our own countries. Thank you for listening.
Very good.
最後さ、虫が
だよね、すごい変わったようにして目入ったらどうしよう。
なんで撮って